In this video, we will see the use of MatProgressSpinner module, and with the help of this we will try to achieve some spinning kind of thing when we are trying to click. Suppose that when we are trying to click on this button, then it will show some progress for a specific time, let's say for 5 seconds, and then it got disabled. Or so let us try to achieve this in our Angular application. All we have to do is to go on and import this mat progress spinning module and add this in our material array, and then we need to go on to our component. When we click on load data button, then this function will be called and it will set the show spinner value to true, and whatever time we want to give we will simply provide over here. So once this method will be called by clicking on that button, this will set the value to true, and that spinner will start showing some progress, and after the 5 second it will again set to false, and that spinner will not be visible to our UI. So in this way we can do some kind of progress with the help of hitting some API call, and once we are getting the response we will stop showing the spinning. Now coming to here, when we are clicking here, then it will show with the help of that function. So this is how it will work, and we can just apply the spinning in our application with the help of some API call, and whatever usable area you can think of, we can apply it over here.